5 Oak, I am audible and visible to everyone. 5 Oak, I am audible and visible to everyone. Okay, first of all everyone, switch off your front camera and mute your microphone. Switch off your front camera and mute your microphone, otherwise my voice will not be clear to you. Shohini, switch it off better. Otherwise you all will not be able to see me and hear my voice. Shohini, switch off your front camera. Switch off your front camera, Shohini. Okay. Class 5, come to the Math Magic book. We were doing chapter number 6, does it look the same? Chapter number 6, does it look the same? Anik Gupta, disconnect and join again. Anik Gupta, disconnect and join again. Those who are not able to see, disconnect and join again. See, up to page number 74 we have completed. Up to page number 74 we have completed. Now we will start from page number 75, and I think I have told you that you will just try this activity at home. Better to try this activity at home, I have told you. Yasir, disconnect and join again. Yasir, disconnect and join again if you are not able to see me. Yes, from our side it is okay. Class 5, from our side it is okay. Those who are not able to see me, check your net connection. Check your net connection. Okay. Yes. So up to page number 74 we have completed. Today we will start from page number 75. Okay, I am reading the chapter, you just go through it. Page number 75, Math Magic, and the chapter is chapter number 6, does it look the same? Oh, it is chapter 5, okay. I was wrong, actually it is chapter number 5, not 6. I have written 5, sorry 6. Sheikh Aryan is right and I am wrong. It is chapter 5. Does it look the same? Okay, now page number 75. Now make a line on the white box to show where you will keep the mirror to get the picture next to it. Now you have to you have to think, or you have to suggest where you will keep the mirror in the white box where the dog is drawn, the full dog is drawn. You have to keep the mirror in such a way that you will get the picture next to it. That means in the first box, the pink dog, you have to keep it in such a way, the mirror, you will get the image number C. You will get the image number C. Okay, so can you tell me that where you will keep the mirror in the first box, so that you will get figure number C. You will get figure number C in the first box, first white box. Can you tell where can you keep the mirror so that you can get figure C? Quickly answer me. Everyone quickly answer me. Where you will give the mirror, or where you will give the dotted line so that you can get the figure C? Only Aditya is typing. What about others? Think and tell me where you will give the dotted lines. Where you will give the dotted lines so that you can get figure number C. Sheikh Aryan is writing vertically. No, it is not vertically. In the middle portion. Shomili is saying middle portion. No. Middle. Orchishwan is also saying no, it is not middle. Side. Back. Horizontal. Up. What is this? Side, back, up, horizontal. Think properly and then tell me. See, if you are keeping the image on the side, at the side, can you get the other side? Now, what is the meaning of down, Aditya? Sorry, Sheikh Aryan. What is the meaning of down? Okay, see, you have to draw a dotted line near the first leg of the dog, and it will be in slanting way. It will be in the slanting way, so that the dogs, you will see the two faces of the dogs and the half the body portion, not the back side. Okay, give a slanting line near the first leg. From the top to bottom, give a slanting line like this. Like this, with the help of the scale, give a slanting line. With the help of the scale, you draw one slanting line near the first leg of the dog to get the figure C. Similarly, number second, see in the second box where you will draw the slanting line so that you can get figure D. See, in figure D you can see the division is from the neck side. That means only the neck portion you can see. The other body parts you are not able to see, isn't it? The other body parts you are not able to see. That means in this also you will draw a slanting line near the neck portion. Okay, near the neck portion, the same slanting line with the help of the scale you draw. With the help of the scale you draw near the neck portion. Okay, it will be the slanting line, so that when you are keeping the image, when you are keeping the mirror near the neck, you will see the next, means in the mirror you will see the neck only. You will not see the other portion of the body. You will not be able to see the other portion of the body. Okay. Now number E. See number E. The division, after the division you are getting number E. So where you will draw? Where you will draw? So that you can get the portion E. See, here you have to draw a horizontal dotted line. Okay, horizontal dotted line from the neck portion. From the neck portion you have to draw the horizontal dotted line so that you can get figure number E. Horizontal dotted lines like this with the help of scale. With the help of scale, draw a horizontal dotted lines. Okay. So that from the neck portion you draw, so that you can get the other half as figure number E. The other half as figure number E. Okay. Now see figure number F. Figure number F, you can see the one leg and half body and the face is shown, isn't it? That means the mirror will be kept near the first leg. Near the first leg the mirror will be kept, and this way it will be straight, not slanting. It will be straight dotted lines. It will be straight dotted lines. So everyone draw a straight dotted lines near F. In the box you will draw, not in the picture, side picture. In the box, that means where the full dog picture is given, there you will make dotted lines near the first leg, a straight dotted lines, so that you can get figure F. That means in the dotted lines, when you are keeping the mirror, you will get figure number F. Okay. This activity I have told you that you do it at home. Take a small mirror, and I know you all have the small mirror at home. Take it and keep it here in the different positions of the dog. You will get the different types of mirror image. Clear? You will get the different types of mirror image. Now come to page number 76. Page number 76. Question number 2. Winky has made a red and white shape. Make a line on the white box where you will keep a mirror to get that shape. Look at how the line is drawn in the first box to get the picture next to it. Now in question number 2, the same thing you have to do as you have done in question number 1. That means you have to draw the dotted line so that you will get the picture just next to it, and you have to do it in the box. Number A is already done, so you will not do number A. Come to number B. Number B, where you will give the dotted line so that you will get the picture just after that. Means you will get the picture next to it. So where you will draw for number B? Tell me. For number B, where you will draw? Avik is saying slanting. Slanting. No, it will not be slanting. Then it will be vertical. Swastika is correct. Taito Swastika, Josh? It will be correct. It is vertical line. So everyone take the scale, with the help of the scale draw the dotted lines. With the help of the scale draw the dotted lines, and it will be vertical. See from where you will draw. You will draw from the red portion. In the horizontal there is a red portion like this. See in the horizontal. Number B. This way. This way there is the red box. I am not drawing the other one. Okay. This box is red box, isn't it? In the horizontal. I am telling horizontal. This is the red box, and you will draw. These two are the white boxes, and here the picture, here the other half is there. So you try to draw the vertical image from this red box. It will be vertical image from the red box. Okay. Then number C. Number C. Number C, I am drawing just the horizontal boxes. I am drawing just the horizontal boxes, not all the boxes. Okay. Because I am not so good in drawing, that's why I am drawing only the horizontal boxes. It is somewhat like this, and this one is the red side, red box in the horizontal. This is the red box, isn't it? This is the red box. These two are white. Again this is red and this is white, and here again horizontally there are some boxes. Here horizontally some boxes are there. You draw the, it will be the vertical line. You draw the vertical line from the red one. Again from the red you will draw the horizontal line, vertical line, not horizontal, it will be vertical. Shomojit, number D is wrong. Number D is wrong. Okay. So number C, you will draw the vertical line. Then number D. Number D. Again number D, the boxes are in the slanting way, isn't it? The down one, the boxes are in the slanting way. For number D, this is the red box. For number D, see the slanting way. Again it is in the slanting way. So you will draw the slanting line to give the picture next to it. From this white box you will draw the slanting line. Okay, from the white box you will draw the slanting line. From the white box, number D. From the white box you will draw the slanting dotted lines. Number D. Swastika is saying for number E, slanting. Number E is again slanting. Number E is slanting. Again here some boxes are there. I am drawing the boxes which are kept in the slanting way. Okay, this one is the red, the middle one. The middle one is the red. So you will draw the slanting line. Again from the white box you will draw the slanting line to get the picture next to it. From the means somewhat like this. Okay, so for number E you will draw the slanting line like this from the white box. Okay, Ms. Baur, switch off your front camera. Ms. Baur, switch off your front camera. Listen, it's better you do this activity of your own. Okay, it's better you do the activity of your own. Take a small mirror, keep it in the dotted lines or keep it in the picture which is given to you and see how it is seen in the mirror, or just observe that what mirror image is showing to you. Clear? Kindly do this activity at home. Now come to page number 77. Half a turn. Once there was a king. He was upset because thieves kept stealing costly jewels from his locker. Here is what the locker looked like. Now once upon a time there was a king and he was very much upset because the thieves usually steal his jewels from his locker, and the locker is looking like this. The picture is shown, 2 yellow and 2 red. The locker could be opened by giving its handle half a turn. Another half turn and the locker would be locked again. Now with a half turn it will be open, again with a half turn it will be locked. So the king would often leave the locker open thinking it was locked. Can you guess the reason? Now the king often he used to keep it like this and he thought that it is locked because of the half turn. Okay, see, when it is open it is also same, and when it is locked then also the design remains the same. That means it is half turn, it remains the same. That's why the king is confused whether it is open or locked. Now come to page number 78. Page number 78. One day his clever daughter gave him an idea which he liked very much. Now he never got confused. Now his daughter gave the idea and now he is never confused. What the idea was? Same. Can you guess what the idea was? The king's daughter asked the king to put a dot on one of the yellow blades. Now the idea was, the daughter told that you keep just a black dot in one of the yellow blades, then when it is half turn it will be open, again the half turn it will be closed. Look to the picture, when it is in the top that time it is open, when the after a half turn when the black spot is in the bottom that time it is locked. The king had many such lockers with different handles. Check if on going them half a turn he can get confused with these two. Now these are the lockers of the king and you have to tell whether he will be confused with this lockers also. So you can see the first one is the cross sign, it will be confusing, isn't it? It will be confusing. Then the second one, it is also same, when it is half turn the picture remains the same. Even with the third and fourth also, when it is half turn the picture remains the same. Okay. Devapriyo, are you present? Devapriyo, are you present? Then why you are removing Avik from the call? Kindly don't do that. Okay. What will you do to solve the problem for each of these? Now what can you do for this problem? So again some sign you have to give so that it will be easily understood whether it is locked or unlocked. Same after half turn. Guess which of these shapes below would look the same after half a turn. That means after half turn also these shapes remains the same. Okay. So you have to give a tick mark that which of the shapes after half turn also remains the same. Devapriyo, it is the class going on, not the fun class. Okay. So kindly, this is my request to you, don't do this type of things in the online class, because these things are being watched by the principal sir as well as by the whole school. So whatever you are doing in the chat box, everything is being observed. Okay. So it is not good for you as well as for me. Now come to page number 78. Just give a tick mark. Just give a tick mark which will be same after the half turn also. Yes, Swastika has given 1, 3 and 4. 1, 3 and 4. Okay. The first one, it is the square. So give a tick mark. It will be same after half turn. Then the rectangle. The rectangle will also be same after half turn. It will be rectangle. Okay. Next one is the circle. Give a tick mark. It will be same after half turn. The next one again the rectangle, it will be same after half turn. Next is the triangle, it will not be same. If it is equilateral triangle then only it will be same, otherwise it will not be same. The next one is the hexagon, it will be same. My hexagon is not same, but when the hexagon given in your book, it will be same after half turn. And next one is the pentagon. The pentagon will not be same after half turn. Okay, it will not be same after half turn. So first, second, third, fourth, sixth, these shapes will be same after half turn. These shapes will be same after half turn. Okay, this also you can do it in your as activity. Draw the figures and then you see whether it is half turn, it is same or not. Come to page 79. Do you find it difficult to tell? That means if you are not able to say, then here is one experiment. If yes, then there is a way to check your guess. Here is how you can do it. Take any of the shapes, trace its outline on a sheet of paper. Now keep the shape on its outline and give it a half turn. See if the shape fits its outline. If it is fits, then it is the same after half turn, and if it is not fit, then it is not the same. Now practice time. These things you will do it in your copy, okay? These things you will do it in your copy. Now practice time. This is page number 79. Question number 1. Find out which letters in the English alphabet look the same after half a turn. That means after half a turn, which English alphabets look the same. Can you guess the answer? Start saying from A. If A you are doing half turn, will it be same? No, it will not be same. Then B, like this you count and then tell me. Like this you count A, B, C, D, like this you count and tell me. Tell the answer quickly. I am waiting for your answer. I am waiting for your answer. Avik has written IXHSONZ. Avik, you are doing from the back side. You are reading the alphabets from the back side. Yes, the first alphabet after half turn it will be same, that is I. Half turn. Okay. Then next it will be, I think you are counting from the back side, Avik. That's why you have first written I and then X. Yes, Orchishman is correct. I. Next will be I. And then next, see, you will write these things in the capital letters. Shomojit, write in the capital letters, not in the small. In capital you will write. It will be S. It will be S. S, then X and Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 letters, when you will make a half turn, it will look the same. These 7 letters, when you will make a half turn, it will look the same. Okay. Now come to the second question. Which of these English words read the same on a half turn? On a half turn, which will be same? Again, it will be MOW, M-O-W. After a half turn, it will be same. Then swims, S-W-I-M-S, swims. Next is S-I-S, sis. And the next one, obviously, it is noon. Means after a half turn, this words will remain same. Okay. After a half turn, these words will remain the same. Yes, class 5, today up to this only. We will do question number 3 in our next class. Okay. So, bye all of you for today and practice the mirror image at home. Okay. Bye all of you.